Dave coming back at you again with another video. Today's video is going to be a quick video on why I sold our 2019 Kodiak Ultralight and what are our plans now. One of my goals for this channel is to get people to break away from the idea that they can't do something. We live in a world right now that can be very negative, and that negativity can really affect your mindset, and if you're not careful, it can really bring you down. I know there are a lot of things out there that you think you can't do, but if you are willing to change your mindset with a little creative thinking, maintain a positive attitude, and willing to put in the work, you might just be surprised at what you actually can do. Whether that be trying to do your first oil change, going on your first camping trip, or something a little more complicated that takes a little bit more time and patience, like trading your way up to that new toy you've always wanted. Stop listening to the haters and start thinking for yourself. Come up with a goal and work outside the box to make it happen. Most likely there will be fails along the way, but you will learn from your mistakes and your goals will get more adventurous as you gain experience. Your goals and outcomes will be different than mine. Some of you out there may even think that my goals are stupid, but that's the beauty of it, to each their own. I just hope to inspire some of you to chase your goals and dreams. With that said, let me share my new plan. If you've been following along with the channel, then you know that I said a while back that if I were to ever upgrade my camper, I would want to upgrade to a Class A or Class C so that we could tow our boat with it. Well, that idea has been festering in my brain and it's time to make it a reality. After speaking with a few local RV dealers, it was clear to me that it was not going to be in my best interest to try to trade in my camper on a new Class A or Class C. With the RV market so hot right now here in Colorado, I decided I was going to attempt to do a private party sale, with the intent of getting my money back out of it in the hopes of breaking even. And the ultimate goal of looking for a new Class A or a Class C without having the headache of dealing with the trade-in. Luckily, when we bought the Kodiak, we did not do any of the upgrades, nor did we pay for an extended warranty, so I knew that we were already not under on it. So I had a hunch that I could ask for what I wanted, yet still come in a little lower price than some of the other campers out there that I was seeing for sale. Based on my past experiences selling something at this price point, I knew it was going to take the right buyer. So I put it up for sale with not a lot of expectations that it was going to sell fast. And with the summer full of camping reservations, I wasn't in a huge hurry to sell it. But if the right offer came along, we were going to take it. Much to my surprise, my phone started blowing up. As it turned out, the bunkhouse models were in high demand, but few and far between in our area. So to make a long story short, I was able to sell the camper for exactly what I wanted for it. But now we had half a summer of camping reservations and no camper. But as y'all know, I'm always on the hunt for a good deal. And it just so happened that at that time, I stumbled across a potential solution to salvage the remaining camping trips for the rest of our summer.